stick here on the ground. Baby, I can't seem to trace it. We went from weightless to dragging our feet on the floor, lost in translation. I keep on chasing who we were before. Tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Tell me that you and I have a chance. Oh, tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Swear I traded all to get us back again. Don't know how to talk to you the way that I used to do. Nothing but negative space in our living room. Try to shrug it off, say it's nothing, but we both know that just isn't true. Baby, I can't seem to trace it. This love was sacred, now it's got our knees on the floor, lost in translation. If we're way past saving, then what's it all for? Tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Tell me that you and I have a chance. Oh, tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Swear I traded all to get us back again. Back again. Oh, yeah. Back again. Till another countdown. My head in my hands now.
I wanna buy a home of our own so we can live in the capital of Tennessee. And the reason is, I know we say we've got big dreams. Come on, baby, follow me. But I know we've gotta be careful in every situation. Weigh out our pros and cons. In a couple of years, it would be the right time to chase whatever we want. The reality is, it would be sweet, baby. We could reside on the corner of Broadway Street. You can call your mom at night, 'cause we're on Central Time. I could work at that hipster vinyl store, be my version of Joanna Gaines for sure. But you got my last name, and oh Lord, that's nice. And I know that it would be sweet, baby. 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 I know it seems like a lonely ride, but I promise you, baby, we can take the night by storm.